Hello, my name is Tim Same. My Twitter handle is @TimSame, capital T, capital S, and I'm studying a BA in Media and Communications. For this assignment, we've been asked to set up our own Twitter accounts and send out 2 tweets a week in relation to our ALC105 hashtag. This is a task that I was able to do relatively easily, especially since I already have had a Twitter account since 2012 for a separate task in a professional writing and editing diploma. Twitter is able to make a case for itself because of how short society's collective attention span has become, and how instantly issues can be brought to the public's attention. But I don't feel like Twitter has augmented my social life, both in terms of interacting with class members and generally a person liking or retweeting my tweet could be as passive as it could be sarcastic or fully attentive. Only a comment can give rise to some sort of discussion, and even then, text cannot fill the gap where vocal tone and facial expression normally fill in. But that said, Twitter does help me keep up with certain sporting or current developing events, and allows me a certain level of access to personalities that I might not have had previously, in the form of Q&As, which are often spontaneous, and they can interact with me too, if they so wish. In other aspects of use, Twitter and its workers have been infamous either for banning users based on hate speech, or for not preventing users from quitting Twitter if they are felt bullied or trolled. A couple of changes that could help make Twitter friendlier would be an algorithm-based sidebar, allowing users to revisit relevant but recently passed stories, to add context to trending events or topics. This might alleviate the tendency for users of social media to ignore past events, or add context to anything impulsive that people might want to tweet out. One other such solution might be a licensing system, a la Tina Fey's quirky but salient comments on an episode of Comedians in Cars Getting Coffee. A realized version of this idea would apply to first-time users, especially if those users are still new to using the internet. Overall, this assignment has had some good moments, but Twitter is still a social media platform that I wouldn't ever be accused of using too often. That's all for now. My name is Tim Same, and thanks for watching.